Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to create this video today. I'm going to show you guys how you can attach a zipper to your dress in a very neat and professional way. Thank you so much for the warm welcome. Thank you for sticking around. While I was away, we hit 70,000 subscribers and I'm super excited to be doing this with you all. If you're new, welcome to the fam. Consider subscribing if you haven't. And here, without much ado, let's go right into this tutorial. Okay, in my previous video, I created this dress and here I said I was going to show you guys how to attach a zipper to your dress. So here is the dress and I've already attached the lining to it. I've actually joined the neckline, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like eventually. I have my zipper with me. So to achieve this, you need to attach your zipper to the right side of your fabric. So the wrong side of your zipper, just open up your zipper. The wrong side of your zipper will have to be at the right side of your fabric. So just open it up like so and place your foot on it. I'm actually using a zipper foot for this you need a zipper foot to actually get your zipper to come out nice. This is actually the invisible method of attaching a zipper. There's another way you can attach a zipper, without doing it this way, but this is actually what a lot of people are actually using right now to attach their zippers, and it comes out looking very neat and very professional. So I'm just going to, give stitch all the way down to where the opening of my zipper ends. Okay, so I'm just zipping up to be sure that everything is good and in place. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is to change the zipper foot. Here I have the right foot and the left foot. So I've actually used the right foot to attach the first side of the zipper. Now I'm switching to the left foot. You can actually use just one if you don't have both. The only thing is that you have to turn your fabric around. After stitching from the top to the bottom, you now have to stitch from the bottom to the top. But in this case, I do not want to do that, so I'm going to stitch both sides from the top. Just make sure you place it correctly and make sure that whatever you're leaving at the top is what you left on the other side. Okay, so for me, I'm just starting right where the zipper actually starts. There's always an allowance on the zipper, so I'm leaving that to hang out, and then I'm starting where the zipper actually starts, and I'm just going to stitch all the way down. It makes it very easy for me to do this. Because a lot of you have asked me how you could attach your zipper, and to be honest, I've been attaching zippers for a very long time, but this is the easiest method I've used. Attaching a zipper used to be one of my most dreaded exercise when sewing, but I've actually, learned to enjoy this, and it comes out looking really nice. So when you get to the end, you just stitch and leave a little bit of space so that you can zip the zipper actually, because the head will be stuck inside if you stitch everything close, okay? So now when you turn it around and bring the head out, you have it looking like so. You just zip it up to be sure that, you know, it came out looking nice. If you don't like, you know, the way it is, you can go ahead to stitch it again, you know, because I actually said this is an invisible zipper method. Make sure that your seam match and that everything is matching and is accurate. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to attach the lining side. So I'm just going to fold the excess part of the zipper. And I'm going to go ahead to stitch. You can actually cut it off. You can cut off the excess if you don't want to do this. So I'm doing a top stitch and I'm just giving a stitch all the way down. So you just give a stitch to the end of the zipper. Now the excess, you can actually trim off the excess so your clothes or your dress or whatever you're making does not look bulky. Look at the way it's looking. It's looking so nice, so neat, okay, and so professional. So you can look at the front side and take a look at the back side. Sorry, I'm just taking out the loose threads from my stitching the first time. So yeah, this is the way it's looking. So this is how to actually attach your zipper. You just repeat the same thing for the other side and you're good to go, okay? So if you're done, you know, the zipper is looking all nice, it's looking all professional, and is looking all neatly attached, okay? So thank you for watching this tutorial. Here is the dress I created. I've actually made a video for this dress. The link will be at the description box, or it will be somewhere up on your screen at this time. Do well to subscribe and watch this video, and thank you very, very much. I appreciate you all, and to see you guys in my next video. Bye.